Oh, people stretch legs. Covered dirt under the provisions of the National Historic Preservation Act of October 15, 1966. This property possesses exceptional value in commemorating or illustrating American history. So why? It's dark.
You don't see it.
It's cool. Don't get me wrong, it's cool. Oh, people out here vandalizing.
I know, I was just noticing that.
Wow. They keep coming back.
Nice.
Yeah.
Repeat offenders.
Well, yeah, the repeat offenders over here, Brent. I'll be like, what are you doing? Yeah. Impressive.
Today we are going to Long Beach, but we stopped to see this covered bridge on the way. However, the babies are asleep in the truck, so I've decided I'm not going to wander all the way across the bridge. Also, my coffee is over here and cool enough to drink now. Brent and Cheyenne leave for Nevada again tomorrow, so just hanging out as much as we can. It's very nice out here.
Are the babies asleep?
Yours is.
Are you just showing Freya a video of herself?
The video I'm taking of herself. She likes it sometimes.
Yeah, you're pitching the truck off, whatever you're doing. Take on this poison oak. Is this poison ivy right here?
All these trees here. It's the property Dad bought. Wants to log it and put a couple double wides on.
How far back does it go?
Okay, that fence is going this way is your line. However, then at the line, we've got to go 20 feet this way. It is an easement. So we can't, it's a city easement or a county easement.
Well, they can go through there if they want, kind of thing?
Well, yeah, they can go through there and they can build and do what they want. And it's mainly for putting power in, for putting sewer in, things like that. So we have to keep things. Now, we can build a shed on it or put a shed on it or whatever, but if they want to come through and lay.
Coda just lays down and holds on. He's like, I don't know about this.
It's like, this is still, stop moving around. Let's go. Say hi.
It's adorable.
Coda's face. He's making that face again.
He's like, I don't, you guys have been weird.
Hello. Mwah. Run, Freya.
I did. I got rainbow sherbet and cotton candy. And they're beautiful.
It's on top?
The toffee tastes really good.
Salted caramel. I mean, no. Caramel toffee crunch.
Beautiful ice cream.
No.
I'm not sure I with salted caramel.
Alright.
Freya says she wants whatever you give her.
Alright, Freya.
You get me, Freya? Hi.
It's okay. I've been down here before. Like, that place has really good. Oh, that's a police station. Never mind.
See, this is
I was gonna say that place has really good chowder.
This is where I wanted to go to eat, is the Long Beach Tavern.
I think that might be the place with the chowder I'm thinking of. I don't even know now.
There's Marsha's right here.
Sorry. I was distracted.
What is he talking about? We couldn't have walked it. That's 2 blocks.
Because he's old and slow.
Ah, that's funny.
Wow, these hedges are nice. These are really nice hedges.
Are the hedges new? I remember them
I
being
feel like they're new.
really small.
Those giant chopsticks.
Those giant chapsticks? Chopsticks. I was like, what?
I found Bigfoot. They done tied him to a... What is that, a
I
tiller?
wonder if Bigfoot's for sale then, because there's two of them. It's a baby lion. We gotta take pictures like with him.
Does it rotate?
Dude, look at these hourglasses. This dragon is wearing armor. He's so cool, Colin. Oh wait, Colin, here, I found your perfect gravestone.
The toilet?
Yeah.
Dude, I understand.
Oh yes. I found one I actually want.
Yeah? Sasquatch. Sasquatch. Oh, that's some weird feeling.
You picked out that nasty spider boy. He loves it. He's just chilling. He doesn't even care. Do you even know something's on your head, Koda?
He hates things on his head too, so.
I don't know. I don't know what's up with this.
It's a big old mug. Look at that. How many ounces? Doesn't say. It's more than any of the freaking bombs.
Okay.
That's for dang sure. You got tiny little.
Get in, man. I want to see what's happening.
He wants the toy. Careful what you put, bud. Here's a Coraline doll in the back.
See, it's unnatural.
I don't like that they put all the random
I
crap.
found
on
him right
there.
down here on the beach in Long Beach.
That's what it says. Actually, it says that it's found in. What is that? Something.
Florida swamp.
Florida swamp. First, Gatorman's first job, card model. That's a nice massage.
It's taking a minute.
It's like a 50-50. Ooh, frigid.
Is your headache feeling better?
I'd rather get frigid than boring or lousy.
Oh, is one of them
How much
lousy?
does it vibrate? Like a good amount?
Cold. Magic wand, Freya.
Look at the sword on the wall, buddy. Look. Good.
Have a good day.
Wow. Hi.
It's you, Freya.
Oh yeah.
Look at your eyes. Is that tiredness or is that the sugar?
No, instead of
Yo, look at that thing.
yeah, the buck. Nabu buck.
What's that thing? They did unholy things to that poor one.
That poor goat butt.
Yes. That one too. Something got ripped open.
Oh no.
This is great. They got a jackalope quail. Oh god, there's a spider monkey.
Here, look at the little Cyclops baby Yoda head.
Still. What's that?
There are real goats like they're
One-eyed lamb.
goats.
Yeah.
Those are real.
Oh. Oh, he's gonna haunt me.
Yeah, a lot of them are fake, obviously, but that one with the extra horn is real. It feels like it's slightly off what it's supposed to sound like.
No, it's perfect. guys like it?
Oh, we're gonna do a different one?
What did she do? I don't know what she did. Yeah, it hit your quarter or your dime.
Do I not have another dime? I do have another dime. There we go. One last time.
It's a lot more calm than the other one.
I think this one was so off tune though, but it made it great.
Well, this one's starting to sound kind of scary. Right?
Imagine being in like a house
Yeah.
by yourself and just you start hearing this.
Yes. It's so terrifying. Why is there a pan? I don't know.
They cooked on it.
They actually use that.
Oh yeah?
Or used.
No, they still do.
I disagree.
All right, well, next time you see Timmy, ask them. They still do it. They have clam feeds down here, and
Well, that's
it's
literally.
clam season.
I don't think so, because that's.
So,
Okay, we'll have to wait our turn.
well, they used to use this one.
Does that one still squirt? Yeah, it said it does.
There you go.
Can you imagine if she would have been standing there?
I was hoping for more. It's a little
Pretty
lackluster.
realistic, though.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, have you ever seen it do it?
No, I've never gone clamming.
Exactly that. They have a real cast iron one.
Alright, let's
Do it with the jetty.
Jetty!
This camera is dying, but here's the actual beach. It's very nice out. I should have charged my other battery.
Crab, how you doing? Female? A buddy of mine went a couple weeks ago and they said they were pulling the males like crazy, but there was a lot of, about 80% of them they had to throw back because they're soft. They only got one female the whole thing. Wait there, Steph. Okay, I'll reach back there. Be careful.